I am not a cook. I don't really like to cook. It's not really my thing. But streamlining a kitchen and making it super organized for those that like cooking is totally my jam. So to get your kitchen totally organized, you have to start somewhere. And I'm going to say, let's start with the spice drawer. We are going to be breaking down these super easy steps to take when it comes to organizing your spice drawer. So let's get organizing. Hey there, I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama. I'm a family organizing expert that helps you with using tips, tricks, and tutorials the entire family can do.
In our home, we order spices from an online company that sends all of the spices in packets. So because of this, we use glass containers to hold our spices that we refill continuously. Now, I love the look of the glass containers with custom labels on it, but you don't need all of those in order to get your spice drawer organized. So let me show you how you can organize your spice drawer. Start by getting a spice holder. This one that I found is from the Container Store. Then place all of your spices on the spice organizer. Before I even placed in the spice organizer, I lined my drawer with Easy Liner. I love that because it keeps the drawer nice and clean and the spice organizer doesn't really slide around. Once I got all of the spices in and I put them in alphabetical order so I can find them easier, then I added in some of our bowls to mix the spices in. And then that is it. To organize a spice drawer, it is easy to do, but it just takes a little bit of time. So your challenge today is to organize your spice drawer. Start by taking everything out, alphabetizing your spices, and then placing them nicely back into your drawer.
Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.